day, everyone. My name is Rai Paredes, and for today, I will be teaching you about pocketing in CNC. So we are going to use the software Train. So the first thing you need to do is to open the software. So here it is. Just um, start the open mill, the demo milling machine. Just press the no program manager, then you can actually create a new part. But okay, let's use this one, so it's empty. Then after that, you need to have a drawing of your workpiece that will serve as a guide. So here's what I am going to do. So first is to identify what is the dimension of your raw workpiece material. So where it's x so its length is 90 units, and its height is 80 units. So to input it in our train, just click various, this one, and you'll see this blank. Just press it, and you can actually choose whatever material you have, but for now we are going to use block. So the x0 and y0 is the coordinate as to where will be the origin. So of course it will be on the zeros. Then the x1 is our length, and the y1 is our height, and the ZA, okay, let's just leave it 0. And for our Z1, so it's the thickness of the workpiece, so we have it as -15. So just click accept, and here is the code for our workpiece. Then after that, enter. Then next is we need to have a cutting tool. So our cutting tool, so to get our cutting tool, just click various. So when you click various, it will change here. As you can see, there's like two columns or whatever. So just press select tool. Then for this yeah, now we have our workpiece. Then we are going to start first with these holes here. We are going to drill this. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 red circle, so it will be cut through the workpiece. So yeah, let's do it. So we are going to use this drill, and the dimension will be 5 units. Just press OK. uh, then so after having our cutting tool, so we are going to input our G codes for the CNC programming. We'll have G90 for our absolute coordinate, then G71 for G71 is for our metric units, then G94 so that we will have the feed in millimeters per minute, and then after that M06 to change or to install our cutting tool. So just copy the cutting tool, then paste it in M06. Then for our speed setting, we'll have 1000. Then M03 to for our spindle, so we can turn it on. M08 for our coolant, turning it on. Then we can now proceed to decoding of our So first we are going to input the coordinate for our first point. So we have x5. Where is it? Here. So it's in for the x coordinate is 5 and y is 5. So x5, y5, and for the z, so it will not touch the surface. So as long as it's above 0, so it's okay. I'm gonna put 5 just so that it will not have for various reasons. Yeah. So after that, just press drilling, then deep hole drilling. So this is okay. No, yeah, this is now okay. Yes, I was doing another pocket milling earlier, and just look at these settings. So it should look like this. So the Z1 is the depth of the angle. So since we are going to run through our you know our workpiece, so it will be like this, and this is okay, accept. And okay, remember to put M30 at the bottom part of the code so that it will run. So first let's simulate if to see. So this is what it looks like. So here's our first point. You can switch to 3D point, 3D view rather. And okay, let's edit and input all of the points. So as you can see, there's point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, point 8, and point 9. So 9 points in total. So let's see the simulation. So that's it for the drilling part. Then after that, let's take a look at our workpiece. So the next thing we'll do, okay, let's start. Okay, let's do these circular pockets first. So this. So the green ones first. So okay, and after the green one, we'll do the blue. So for this pocket thing, for the pocket part, we are going to use a different tool. So select tool, and we are going to use cutter 4. Okay, so we have 5. So we are going to counterboard this, and just change the cutting tool. You need to input the G codes here. It will be present also the code, and let's change the speed to 1500. And for the pocket milling part, we don't need to input the coordinates since it will have here. So just press milling, then pocket, and choose whether it's a rectangle or a circular pocket. So let's do the circular. So for this RP, the feed is 100. So we're for the roughing part, so centrate, so it will start at this center. And for the first coordinate, for our x, so it's 25 and 40 for the y. So 25, then 40 for the y, accept. And for the diameter, as you can see, there's it's 10 units. For our depth, let's say it's okay, it's okay, 7.5, and just press OK. So there you have it, for our circle, or the circular pockets. Then we move to our rectangular pockets. So let's do this outer rectangles first. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rectangular pockets. So again, we need to change our tool. So select tool, then we need to or we would want to use the cutter 6, and okay, change this to 4, and milling pocket, then no, it's rectangular, and we would want to be, so here you can change the position of the reference point, but for the outer parts I would want to use the centric, and our first coordinate will be 5, 5 here and 5 here. That's 12 for the width, 12 for the length, and the outer for the radius for the corner is 2. The depth, well, there's no angle, so the depth is 7.5. Okay. or we can do 10. Let's do 10. Okay, accept. So there you have it, our corners. Then lastly, these 4 rectangles whose length is 25 and the height or the width is 15. So okay, I would want to change the cutting tool, so select tool, just to change the diameter of the cutting tool into 6. Then okay, and just so you don't need to input the speed setting again. Okay, just do it again like the first one. Change the coordinates. So for here we would want to start from the lower left, our position for our reference point, and here it's 10 and 15. So 10, 15. So our width is 15 and our length is 25. So for our radius, let's change it to 3, and let's have it 2.5. Okay, then just do it again for the other 3. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. So here is our workpiece. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe or comment down for any comments, criticisms, and whatsoever. Again, I am Rai Paredes, and see you again soon, hopefully.